Well, there hasn't been a whole lot of rain in the upstate today, but tomorrow will bring a little better opportunity. Then this weekend, it just turns stormy. It's going to be a much wetter setup with a good chance for rain by Saturday afternoon, Saturday night even, and even parts of Sunday. Heading into next week, though, we'll be continuing to watch the Atlantic as we have the peak of hurricane season happening and several systems to keep an eye on. Luckily, nothing that's immediately threatening the Carolinas at this point. We're watching rain up in western North Carolina, upstate spots mostly dry, just a couple sprinkles in Pickens County. The more widespread rain for Jackson County in western North Carolina and just off toward the west of Brevard. And it's feeling oh so steamy outside. The dew point, or the measure of humidity in the air, it is high in the 70s. And the higher it goes, the worse it feels outside. So these temperatures feel even hotter than they actually are. 85 in Greenville, 80 for Asheville. We're looking at 84 over in Spartanburg, and 82 for Abbeville and Greenwood. Now tonight, it's going to still feel very sticky outside. Isolated showers, temperatures falling into the low 70s. And we'll be looking at as well, a little bit cooler, but still very humid feeling in the mountains with mid 60s on the way. And your hour by hour for Friday will be still very warm outside. Upper 80s expected between 3 and 5 o'clock with that chance for at least a little bit of sunshine here and there, and then storms developing. We're going to give it a 7 on the Carolina Sky Meter. And here's one of the reasons that it doesn't get a very high grade. We're going to see more widespread rain. Notice this evening, though, it's going to just be mostly in the mountains, kind of fades out so that Friday morning starts dry. Friday afternoon, that's when scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms will develop, and they'll be more widespread than previous days, some of them even lasting overnight, so that Saturday morning starts with showers. We should see it at least a lull midday before, look at this, heavy downpours picking up toward Saturday evening. In the FUTURECAST rain totals, we're looking at around 1 inch to 2 inches across the area. So not a huge flooding event or anything like that, but certainly isolated flooding can't be ruled out this weekend. And we're at the peak of hurricane season. 5 areas to watch out there. The 2 that are closest to the U.S., these are not very well organized, but about a 40% chance that this area could develop. It would likely move toward the Gulf of Mexico. We'll be watching that. Paulette in the central Atlantic will likely move toward Bermuda, and Renee is going to stay what we call a fish storm. It's not going to be affecting land. Now let's take a look at your next 7 days as the storms will increase into this weekend. Temperatures will go down at least, so that's one silver lining to seeing more rain. And then the next week, beautiful weather comes in once we can finally kick out this rain, and that should happen as we head toward Tuesday and Wednesday. Of course, you can download the Fox Carolina app for the latest weather information whenever you are on the go.